Hello and welcome everybody from AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. On this beautiful morning we've got this Cosmos Black A180d AMG Line exec. Car's in absolutely stunning condition. Got the 5 twin spoke AMG alloy wheels there, as you can see. That diamond grille that really does stand out. And this particular vehicle, the exec, refers to the specification that you get. So it has got the heated front seats. It's actually also got the mirror pack, so electrically adjustable and electrically folding mirrors. And it does have that stunning widescreen dash with satellite navigation as well. Absolutely stunning car. If you'd like any further information on it, please give any member of the sales team a call. We're all on hand to look after you. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you ever so much for watching, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.